Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2024 Chevrolet Corvette 1LT Coupe. It's got the exposed carbon fiber ground effects, competition seats, high wing, a custom exhaust, and is painted in black with the jet black interior and red stitching. All right, we'll start here at the rear. So back here, it is the coupe, so you can see the rear hood has the glass partition, and then down below we have the mid-engine 6.2 liter V8 producing 495 horsepower. It's paired to the 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. This one also has the edge red engine cover. As we come back here, you're going to see the removable roof. It's made of carbon fiber, so it's nice and light, and it's painted body color. I'll try to move this a little bit here. You can see the exposed carbon fiber here. It's Corsa. It's got the Corsa cold air intake, so really cool. It really looks cool when you got the trunk exposed there. When the roof is on the car, obviously you can utilize all that trunk space, and you can put some golf clubs back there or some shopping items. As we zoom out there, you can see the black interior, and we got the surround here done in the exposed carbon fiber. Really good look, matching the rest of the car there. You're gonna see the glass partition here to see the mid-engine. So really cool to see that. Coming back here, we have the Stingray done in the carbon flash, and then the high wing done in the black. Really sinister looking. Down below, we have the custom exhaust system. So it's got the tips from the stock exhaust system, but when we look under here, you're gonna see all that cool plumbing here. So it is nice and loud. So if loud is what you want, this is what it is. We'll spin it around. Check out the wheels next. All right, so this one has the 5 open spoke carbon flash wheel with a machined outer edge. It's wrapped in Michelin tires all the way around. A 305 30ZR20 in the rear. We got the 4-wheel disc brakes, and you can see the bright red brake calipers tying into that red stitching in the interior. Here's our front wheel. Front wheel's a 245 35ZR19, so a nice staggered pattern. And those red calipers do say Corvette on them. All right, we'll check out the interior next. So we got the black door panels here, and again, the adrenaline red stitching. Nice touch there. We have the Bose sound system, power windows, locks, and your door release. Dash over here, so you got the black dash with the nice red stitching as well. Here's our glove box. You see the book in there. Door jambs and looking nice and tidy. Your Stingray kick plate down there. You got the carpeted mats with the stitching. And then we have your 8-way power seat. And again, these are the competition seats. So you can see these ones really hug you. Really cool looking seat. It's got the exposed carbon fiber here, the Corvette flags back here, the red stitching, and we have the seatbelt loop with the torch red seat belts. All right, we'll move back here. You can see the glass partition, so you can see the engine compartment from the cockpit. How cool is that? We have the speaker there, and then we got a pocket there to store some stuff. We'll go ahead and close the door there. We'll start back here, show the profile of this car here, the wing. We'll walk down here. By the way, this entire car is, the body is wrapped in PPF, paint protective film, protection film. So really cool. Someone took the time and energy to do that. A lot of money to do that. All right, down here we have the full exposed carbon side skirt, matching that high wing. And of course, we got the matching front spoiler to the whole kit. So nice carbon finishes here. Feels all nice under there. Up here, we got the frunk, and then we got more storage here. So you got your frunk there. There's your front plate mount. And we have a 12-volt socket there to charge your battery with the trickle charger. All right, we'll close this up here. It does have soft close in the front as well. LED lighting. Check out the paint here. It is like a mirror finish. This black is beautiful. I'm gonna come down the side of the body here. Grab a good body angle, give my hand a wave there. You can see the paint is like a mirror finish. So our team has already had our hands on this car. You can see how great it looks. Back to our wheels. And the last one here. All right, interior. So you got that nice black door panel, the red stitching, the Bose sound system. We got power mirrors, power windows, your door release, and your locks and your front and rear trunk. Here's our dash over here. And our door jambs. Look how shiny they are. I can see that exposed carbon fiber down there when you open the door. That's cool. Here we have your pedals, carpeted mats, 8-way power seat, and again, the competition seats. Look how cool these seats look here. Red seat belts, Corvette flags. All right, we'll jump in. All right. Close up the door here. We got the nice sleek vents on the C8 here. Down here we get your dash dimming lights and your electronic parking brake. On the steering column we got power tilt and telescopic wheel. You got your headlight controls here. We have paddle shifters on both sides, so upshift, downshift. Z button for your performance. Here's our cruise control, and then we have your audio on both sides here. Bluetooth, arrow keys, and your windshield wiper settings. All right, we'll go ahead and start it up. So we'll hear this exhaust system here. Whoa. That sounds mean. Nice and loud. Up here we got the flat top, the red center point, flat bottom with the red stitching, Corvette flags in the center here. Coming into the gauge cluster here, we have a fully digital cluster. Mileage on the car, 3,067 kilometers. So nice low kilometer C8. Up here we got the visor. Here's your light sensitive mirror. Down here we got your 8-inch touchscreen. We'll just go home here. And here's our 8-inch touchscreen, so we got audio here. It does have Google Maps capable. It's all Google based, so we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We got your climate controls here. I'll throw it in reverse so we can see the reverse camera there. Down here we have your automatic shifters, traction control, your mode selector here, so it's a dial. So let's bring it back into that dash here, and I'll turn the dial here. So you got weather mode to start with, my mode, so you can customize it. And as you can see, the metrics are changing when we change it. We got tour mode there, sport mode, and track mode. So you can see it's changing all these metrics here as it changes. So I'll turn the dial one more time here back to sport so you can see the graphics there. Here's our climate control tower, dual zone climate control, black console here. We got 2 cup holders. Here's our console lid. Put my hand in, you can see the depth of it. We got media ports back here. All right, we'll go ahead, open up the door here. We've got these lights on, and let's rev it up. One more time. All right, that is so fun. You just want to push the gas down on that thing. It's nice and loud. Make our way to the front here. Here's our headlights on the car. Look how shiny this car is. Wow. Again, the whole car is wrapped in PPF, the entire body. Here's our taillights. Listen to this exhaust. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2024 Chevrolet Corvette 1LT Coupe. It's got the exposed carbon fiber ground effects, the high wing, competition seats, a custom exhaust, full PPF wrap, and is painted black with the jet black and the adrenaline red stitching. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for